Some people cannot clearly tell the differences between standard power drill and rotary hammer. A power drill only spins. It is often used in wood, plastic, and metal to drill holes. If you want to drill holes in masonry block like bricks and concrete, you should use a rotary hammer because it can not only spin the bit but also punch it in and out, helping the drill bit cut through the tough materials. You can buy cordless and corded one as you like. A corded rotary hammer drill provides strong, continuous power and costs less, while a cordless one is more flexible to use. A rotary hammer is much alike with a standard power drill. Pull the trigger and it runs. You can control the rotation speed by pressing it lighter or harder. Some rotary hammers don't have the forward and reverse switch button, since a rotary hammer is often used to drill holes instead of driving screws. Still, there are some rotary hammers have that switch button. With a special clamping accessory, you can use all types of drill bit and drive bit. If you want to set up the drill bit, press it in directly. When you hear the click, the bit is set. Very easy. If you want to remove the bit, just pull down the ring of the chuck, then you can take it out. Notice that the drill bits have different sizes, and it's not the same as the standard power drill bit. You should be aware of it when you buy it. There are 3 modes on the drill. Press and hold the red button, you can switch to different mode. The drill mark means spinning only. The hammer mark is punching only. The mode with both marks is for spinning and punching at the same time. Before we drill a deep hole, better use the spinning mode to make a shallow hole on the surface. It can prevent the drill bit bouncing around, especially for drilling the tiles. If you don't make a shallow hole beforehand, the drill will break the tile easily. After making the shallow hole, switch to the spinning and punching mode to drill. Pull out occasionally when drilling. The drill will bring out the dust. This move can make the process more efficiently and smoothly. Hammer mode is not often used as the other 2 because it is usually used to remove some masonry parts, and it should work with the chisel bit, not the drill bit. There is a long stick goes with the rotary hammer. Actually, it is a ruler, used to restrict the drilling depth. When the drill reaches the depth, the ruler prevents the drill bit go any deeper. We can set the depth according to the length of the screw we are going to use. To drill a hole in the wall is the first step of fastening. Since screw cannot grab the wall firmly enough, we need the help from other fasteners, like wall plug. You can find many types of plastic wall plugs. They can grab the wall because when the screw drives in, the plug expands and pushes the wall to hold tight. How to install a wall plug? Just hammer the plug into the hole. The hole should be a little bit deeper than the length of the plug, in case the plug sticks out. Drive the screw in and fasten the part. If you need strong fixing, you should use the sleeve anchor, a typical masonry anchor. They are used in fastening guardrails, air conditioner frames, and etc. When the bolt is fastened, the sleeve will be pushed down and forced to expand. As you turn the wrench, the nut goes deeper. The end of the sleeve opens wider and grabs the wall tighter. The bolt has a gasket and a spring washer. Don't throw them away. They are all necessary. The gasket is used to push the sleeve in, and the spring washer is used to lock the bolt. When you install a sleeve anchor, just put it into the hole and fasten the nut with the wrench. If you want to remove a wall plug, you can use pliers. Put a piece of metal sheet between to prevent the pliers damage the surface of the wall. To remove a sleeve anchor, first you have to remove the nut from the bolt with wrench. Then pull out the sleeve. The anchor will be taken out easily. If the sleeve is too deep to be taken out, just cut it with the angle grinder. Last but not the least, to catch the drill dust, we can use a dust collector, clean and tidy. Let's install some shelves on the wall with rotary hammer.